So we've got another latest generation Land Rover Defender 110 in, but this particular one is the latest V8 version, so I thought it warranted another video for our YouTube channel. We've got this in today to have our Blackvue cloud connected system in here, which is the LTE version of the Blackvue range. This enables you to connect remotely and get remote notifications from the vehicle when you're away for it, so it's a great sort of parking security aid as well. So I just thought I'd just show you what we can achieve here at TTW in terms of the install. So we've got the main front camera there, which we situate right in the center of the binnacle area. This then also enables us to hide away the cabling right up into the binnacle there, so there's hardly any wiring showed. A nice central position and doesn't affect from the driver's point of view when you're driving in there. And then the rear camera solution that we offer here is we mount the rear camera right up at the top there. As you can see, nicely sort of fitted, no obvious sort of wiring in there, all hidden away. So it looks more factory fitted. And then we also install the Cellink Neo battery pack, which is down under here. So this gives extended recording time for your Blackvue camera in parking mode. So it's nice and discreetly, nice out of the way within the vehicle there. So yes, if you're looking to add a dash camera system to your Defender, then please give us a call on 01159 599 995.